we have in here? Well, they just want me to go ahead and change the battery, so let's go ahead and do it. First, disconnect the negative battery cable. I'm using 10mm. This thing is so greasy. Alright, let's go ahead and undo this. Always start with the negative battery cable. Hopefully we're not damaging these wires. Then the positive one. Come on. There we go. Then we gotta undo the bracket right here. It's 12mm. I'm gonna go ahead and use my magnetic to pick this up. You don't want to drop this guy. Oops, oops. You don't want to drop that. Then you can remove your 12-volt battery. Oh boy, it's heavy. Here is the new one. And I believe this is your part number right here. I think so. It does look different. Yeah, I think this is your part number. H547. Okay. Oh boy. This guy's pretty heavy. Okay. Alright. What is going on here? Oh well. Okay. Is this gonna be the right battery? Well, I think that we removed the wrong battery right there, and we are installing the correct one. Alright, let's go ahead and line this up. Right there. I'd like to go ahead and install my battery cable first, the positive one, so I can make adjustment if I needed. There we go. Hide it. Yep. It's broken. It is broken. Then, the negative one. There we go. Now we can tighten the bracket down there. All right. Now we can check if the time and date is good. Nope. So we gotta set the time, which is 4:29 right now. There we go. And this is a new car or a used car. I think someone just bought it. So we don't really care about setting the radio. Yeah. We just worry about the time. Alright. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.